What's going on, guys? My name is Rodney with Confident Christians, and I'm coming to you again because I was surfing the internet trying to find out what the best LLC service was. And I personally have my own thoughts, but as I'm going through my search, I came up with this one thing I want to quickly talk about, and it's with LegalZoom. So let's go ahead and get to it. This video is about the LegalZoom LLC review. Is LegalZoom the right LLC service for your business? So if you're looking for the best service to help you get started, why would you use LegalZoom versus many of the other platforms? In this review, I'll go over a few details, and I'll also walk you through some of the things that I found online that you might find useful when making your decision. So LegalZoom, is it a good deal? First off, LegalZoom offers some very reliable, very easy to use services, things that other services may not offer, but you would find to be full featured, and I would recommend including anytime you pay for an LLC service. So here's a quick list of what they have to offer. They're established brand. They sometimes relatively pain-free order process, access to a wide range of products and services to help owners and managers navigate the legal challenges of starting and maintaining a business, and the ability to form a professional LLC, and cheaper than hiring an actual law firm or a lawyer to form your LLC. So one thing to note here is who actually uses LegalZoom. You might want to figure out if you're this type of person or if you might be a different type of person. So the people who use LegalZoom are generally people who find it appealing to use an LLC service who has a foothold in the market, who's highly visible, who has brand recognition, and a name that they can trust. Now, generally, this may be first-time entrepreneurs. This may be people who haven't heard of other LLC services. It could really depend, but honestly, LegalZoom is a decent option in a service field full of various options. So that's who uses it. Is it better than another LLC service? So in my opinion, I would say it's a little bit higher, a little bit more expensive. But if you're looking for an LLC service, it's a decent option. I personally would look at other services like Incfile because they're a little bit cheaper, offer some of the same services, and you can probably get your LLC filed a lot quicker. So overall, it's an established name. It does come at a higher cost, but it could work for you. So here's the takeaway here. LegalZoom's a good option if you want to work with an established brand to form your LLC, if you're willing to pay a little extra for premium services and features, if you're not worried about getting your LLC service started too soon, or if you need to form a professional LLC. In this case, it's called a PLLC. So my recommendation, and just from my other videos, you may know, I highly recommend Incfile. It's worked out completely well for me. I trust it. I've sent other people to Incfile. It's worked out well for them. And it really is just 5-star treatment all around. So I would go with them, but LegalZoom's also on the list. It's going to be a little bit more expensive, but it is worth your time. If you wanted to go with LegalZoom, by all means, I would say go ahead and apply. So that's about it. Here's a quick rating profile. So you have value 3 out of 5, customer service 3.5 out of 5, ease of use 3.5 out of 5, included features 3 out of 5. And here's the pricing: $79 plus $50 for economy, $329 plus $50 for standard, and $349 plus $50 for express gold. Here's what's included. You can pause this video if you want to take a closer look. And you also have LegalZoom's economy, $79 plus state fees. And you'll see here what they offer. All right, and that about wraps up this video. So hope you like it. I highly recommend Incfile over any other LLC service. But if you're interested in LegalZoom, I'll make sure I leave a link. And that's it for today, man. Hope you guys liked it, and I will see you next time. Take care.